BUBU and the Splashing Smile. One sunny summer afternoon, the children's pool at the Aquaticum outdoor water park was full of laughter and splashing water. The sun made the water sparkle, and the twisty slide from the little dock twisted into the pool. Every time someone slid down, there was laughter and a big splash, as if summer itself was playing with the children. BUBU, the friendly little elephant, was happily splashing with his friends Lily and Danny. They spent the whole day playing with a red and yellow striped ball. They threw it in the air and jumped to catch it. BUBU's trunk caught the ball skillfully, and the children clapped and laughed at every successful move. Lily threw the ball high, and Danny jumped with a big splash to catch it. But just as BUBU was about to catch it, there was a soft pop. The ball slowly flattened, its bright stripes floating weakly on the water. "Oh no!" shouted Lily. "It popped!" "But it was our favorite," said Danny sadly, holding the flat ball. BUBU lowered his head. He was sad too. They had laughed so much with the ball all day, and now it seemed the fun was over. The three of them sat quietly at the edge of the pool, feeling a little down. But then BUBU noticed the children sliding down the big yellow tube, one after the other, shouting and splashing with joy. BUBU's eyes lit up. A small smile appeared at the tip of his trunk. "You know what?" he said happily. "If we don't have a ball, we can make a new game. Let's have a splash contest." The children looked curious. "A splash contest?" asked Lily. "What's that?" "It's simple," giggled BUBU. "We take turns going down the slide, and whoever makes the biggest splash wins." Their sadness disappeared instantly. The children's eyes lit up with excitement. Danny went first with a big push, and water splashed everywhere. Then Lily went, raising her knees high for an even bigger splash. Finally, it was BUBU's turn. The little elephant climbed the stairs slowly and sat carefully at the top of the slide. For a moment, everything was quiet. Everyone watched eagerly, and when BUBU slid down, he made such a huge splash that even the adults on the slide laughed while wiping water from their faces. "Wow, that was the biggest splash ever!" shouted Danny. "And the funniest too," added Lily, still laughing. They played again and again until the sun slowly set behind the hotel. No one remembered the popped ball anymore. BUBU and his friends stayed at the beach until evening. At the end, tired but happy, they sat with some corn on the cob in their hands. BUBU looked around at his friends with a satisfied smile. "See," he said softly, "sometimes when something breaks, it only makes room for something even better." Even after the sun went down, the children were still talking about who made the biggest splash. BUBU knew their day had been perfect.